वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। टुडेज हुक्मनामा इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन मार्च 2 2025 अंग 685 धन धन श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी महाराज धन धन श्री गुरु नानक देव जी महाराज। राग धनासरी। धनासरी महला पहला घर दूजा अष्टपदिया। एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद। वन यूनिवर्सल क्रिएटर गॉड बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ द ट्रू गुरु। गुर सागर रतनी पर पूरे अमृत संत चुघै नहीं दूरे। हर रस चोग चुघै प्रभ भावै सरवर मह हंस प्राण पत पावै। गुर सागर रतनी पर पूरे। The Guru is the ocean filled with pearls. Amrit Sant chughe nahi dure. The saints gather in the ambrosial nectar. They do not go far away from there. Har ras chog chughe prabh bhave. They taste the subtle essence of the Lord. They are loved by God. Sarvar meh hans pran pat pave. Within this pool, the swans find their Lord, the Lord of their souls. Kya bag bapda chapadi naaye? What can the poor crane accomplish by bathing in the muddle puddle? Kichad doobe mail na jaye, rahao. It sinks into the mire, and its filth is not washed away. Rakh rakh charan tare vichari. After careful deliberation, the thoughtful person takes a step. दुविधा छोड़ भय निरंकारी. Forsaking duality, he becomes a devotee of the formless Lord. Mukat padarat har ras chakhe. He obtains the treasure of liberation and enjoys the sublime essence of the Lord. Avan jaan rahe gur rakhe. His comings and goings and the Guru protects him. Sarvar hansa chhod na jaye. The swans do not leave this pool. प्रेम भगत कर सहज समाये. In loving devotional worship, they merge in the celestial Lord. Sarvar meh hans, hans meh sagar. The swans are in the pool, and the pools is in the swans. Akat katha gur bachni adar. They speak the unspoken speech, and they honor and revere the Guru's word. Sun mandal ik jogi baise. The yogi, the primal Lord, sits within the celestial sphere of deepest samadhi. Nar na purakh kaho kohu kaise. He is not male and he is not female. How can anyone describe him? Tribhavan jyot rahe liv lai. The three worlds continue to center their attention on his light. Sur nar nath sache saranai. The silent sages and the yogic masters seek the sanctuary of the true Lord. Anand Mool Anath Adhari. The Lord is the source of bliss, the support of the helpless. Gurmukh Bhagat Sahaj Bichari. The Gurmukhs worship and contemplate the celestial Lord. Bhagat Vachal Paikatan Hare. God is the lover of his devotees, the destroyer of fear. Haume Mar Mile Pag Tare. Subduing ego, one meets the Lord and places his feet on the path. Anik jatan kar kaal santaye. He makes many efforts, but still the messenger of death tortures him. Maran likhaye mandal meh aaye. Destined only to die, he comes into the world. Janam padarath dubida khove. He wastes his precious human life through duality. Aap na chinas pram pram rove. He does not know his own self, and trapped by doubts, he cries out in pain. Kahto padto sunto ek. Speak, read and hear of the one Lord. Tiraj taram tarni tar take. The support of the earth shall bless you with courage, righteousness and protection. Jat sat sanjam hriday samaye. Chastity, purity and self-restraint are infused into the heart. Chauthe pad kao je man pati aaye. When one centers his mind in the fourth state, Sache nirmal mail na lage. They are immaculate and true, and filth does not stick to them. गुर कै शब्द भरम भव भागै. Through the word of the Guru Shabad, their doubt and fear depart. Surat Murat Ad Anup, the form and personality of the primal Lord are incomparably beautiful. Nanak jachai sach saroop. Nanak begs for the Lord, the embodiment of truth. साचे निर्मल मैल न लागै, गुर कै शब्द भरम भव भागै. सूरत मूरत आद अनूप, नानक जाचै साच स्वरूप. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.